Let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, a flood watch has been issued for the New South Wales north coast this weekend.
Jeremy, I'll have all the rain details in just 1 minute. But firstly tonight, let's fly across the globe because England has just recorded its equal hottest summer on record, and that's with data back to 1884. A July heatwave sent temperatures above 40 degrees for the first time on record. Most of England baked in summer temperatures more than 2 degrees above average. This continues a hot start to the year, and the January to August mean was the highest on record. Much of the UK is also in drought. Summer rain was well below average, and for England, it has been the driest start to a year since 1976. The UK Met Office has directly linked the extreme weather to climate change, saying 4 of the 5 warmest summers on record have occurred since 2003. And now, back home, where a major rain event is developing across northern New South Wales. And a flood watch has been issued for the Orara, Bellinger and the Hastings rivers. Around 50 to 100 millimetres should fall during the next 48 hours. However, from Taree to Coffs Harbour, we could see up to 200 millimetres of rain. For Sydney today, cloudy skies and southerly winds kept the maximum to only 17 degrees in the city. Parramatta's 17 was 5 below the September average. On the radar, most of the rain stayed away from Sydney today, but showers, they're now becoming more widespread across the city. Last night was again cold in the south of the state, but warmer in the north. Maximums were below normal under thick cloud cover. Parts of the north was as much as 10 degrees below average today. The rain totals are starting to climb. Moree has now collected 16 millimetres since 9 a.m. On the satellite, it's a wet start to spring with cloud bands impacting the east and also the west of the country. A low-pressure system will deepen rapidly off the New South Wales north coast tomorrow, and that will drive strong winds and heavy rain onto the coast. So, rain on the forecast for Brisbane tomorrow, a shower or two for Melbourne. For the northeast, rain overnight and tomorrow. Heavy falls for the mid-north coast and the Hunter, and a cold day, maximums just 9 on the northern tablelands. For the southeast, showers on the way for the Illawarra, but a mostly dry start to the weekend elsewhere. To the west, rain across the slopes and plains anywhere north of about Dubbo, and a frosty morning in the south. On the waters, a strong wind warning south from Sydney and a gale force wind warning for the north coast with heavy seas to 3 metres. For Sydney tomorrow, a cold day with a high chance of showers. Most suburbs should receive between 2 and 10 millimetres, and southerly winds to 40 kilometres per hour will keep the maximums to only 15 degrees in most suburbs. The sun rising at 6:10 a.m. tomorrow, and further ahead, a high chance of showers again on Sunday, 18 degrees. And at this stage, there is no end in sight with showers on the forecast every day through the next week. Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. That is the very latest from the ABC News team. From all of us, thanks for your company. Enjoy your evening.